Mexican stuffed paratha. A little bit of oil in the pan, not too crazy. Okay, eggplant is almost half done. I'm gonna add in my peppers. So pretty much these two are cooked, right? So that I'm gonna add last minute. So it's gonna give this about 30 seconds to cook. So once this mix is made, you have to cool it down as well. You don't wanna start building your quesadillas while your mix is hot. Season it while you're cooking it. All right, it's a good stage. Gonna add some of my zucchini in, too much. All right, we're almost there. So spinach. Once this mix is ready, I'm just gonna put it on a plate, cool down. See, nice and colorful. All right, so that was one step of the quesadilla mix. And I have some sliced onions here. The natural sweetness of the onions will kind of give them the brown color. It's soft. All right, so while this is cooking slowly, we're gonna serve a sauce which is called pico de gallo. Tomatoes, I've just grated them on a cheese grater. Okay, put that in a bowl. Again, I have some white onion. The same jalapenos I used in the gazpacho. So yeah, and then we're gonna mix it. Pico de gallo you can't really make beforehand, you know, because obviously tomato is also citrus, or it has a little bit of citric acid in it naturally. And if you add lemon juice to it and you keep it a day, by the time you get to it the next day, it's not going to taste like the same thing. So it's a good balance of salt and acid. And you'll see when you make it at home, the more you taste it, the more acid you add, the more salt you can add. See, my onions are caramelizing. Can you guys see that? But it's caramelizing. I'm just going to leave the pan to the side now. Last thing to finish it off, some chopped coriander. Okay, and that's my version of pico de gallo. So to build the quesadilla, okay, you take your mixture only on one side, again scattering everything so you get a little bit of the corn, a little bit of the zucchini, a little bit of the veg in each. Alright, so you add your vegetable mix, you add your caramelized onions, pan back on the stove. Getting back to this, you mix vegetables, you caramelize onions, and then your two types of cheeses. The next thing is your smoked scamorza. So I'm going to just put a little bit of sprinkle of the smoked scamorza. Okay. And then fold that over. So then just need some butter, a little bit, and then just kind of massage it on this quesadilla. It's okay. So this is what it should look like. Okay, the best way to check it is you lift it and the cheese is nice and oozy, you see that? And you know it's done. Hold it on the outside, cheese oozing,